This cat was the star of the show during the Third World War. This is a true story. In 1950, a reporter from the BBC named George Orwell was covering the war in Korea when his unit came under attack. Bombs were falling all around him and bullets were whizzing past his head. And then he saw it, a small brown cat calmly walking through the chaos. The cat had been hiding in an air raid shelter and had only come out to hunt for food. Orwell followed the cat and saw that it had found a dead bird and was trying to eat it. But the bombs kept falling and the cat kept getting scared, so Orwell did something crazy. He picked up the cat, put it in his jacket, and walked into the nearest building. That's when he heard a loud explosion. When he opened his eyes, he saw that the building was on fire and the cat was missing. He ran outside and saw that the cat had escaped and was running away as fast as it could. And that's when Orwell realized that the cat had only pretended to be scared so that he would take it home.